Yvonne. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome. So today I'll be doing a video about head wraps. I love head wraps. I love head wraps. I have so many. I'm looking for them. As I say, I have so many. I just love head wraps because they're just so freaking convenient. You can do so many things, different outfits. I just love freaking head wraps, and I've been wearing them for forever. And that's the video I'll be doing today. Actually, I remember when a while back I started wearing head wraps. In our culture, it's they're normal, everybody has them, and we call them lesos. A leso, the cloth that we have, we call it a leso. And some people call it kanga, depending on where you're from. But yeah, so that fabric, we use that fabric for everything. And one of my favorite things to use it on is as a head wrap. So I'm so excited to do this video. And I remember when head wraps weren't popping, and it was weird. I remember actually getting made fun of for wearing a head wrap. This was in Indiana, no offense, but yeah, I went to college. My first half of college was in Indiana. I remember it was in the cafeteria. I went to get my food and I came back. It was actually this head wrap. Was it this one? I don't know, whatever. It was one of these head wraps that I was wearing. And when I came back to sit down from where I was sitting, my girls were like, don't worry, but these guys were just talking about your head wrap. They said that you look outdated or something. And I was like, how am I outdated or not cute or lame because I have a head wrap on? This is my culture. This is what we do. Now, head wraps are hot and everybody's wearing them. It's cool. But back then, it wasn't, okay? When I was 19, so. But anyways, I love head wraps. They're dope. I love different colors. I have so many more. But I just want to do 3 beginner ones. I feel these are really easy. And once you get these 3 methods, and they're not really, they don't necessarily look too different from one another, but the reason I wanted to do them that look kind of similar is because I just wanted you to get this, the method down. And once you do, head wraps will be so easy. You'll be coming up with different things, doing some, wild stuff with your head wraps. But for now, I just wanted to teach you something really, really simple that you can do when you're at home and, not have to worry. So these are the head wraps I came up with. And yeah, let me know what you think. And let me know if you have any questions. And before we get into the video, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe if you like these topics or something similar. And let me know what kind of topics you guys want me to do. So let's get right into the video. All right, let's start our first one. You're going to take a t-shirt. I know, but this is something I feel everybody has. It's a regular cotton t-shirt, and you're going to just roll it up into this pretzel ball looking thing. And then you're going to take your first piece of cloth, and you're going to just hold it right there, leave a little space. You're going to take that t-shirt that you just rolled up, and you're going to put it under there. So this is going to provide almost a shape for you to work with. So this is one of my favorite ways to wear a head wrap, and the t-shirt is really lightweight, so you don't really feel anything's on your head really. So, and I just start twisting up. Girl, you're just gonna be twisting. You just twist. You're gonna twist, and you're gonna start putting what you just twisted around the t-shirt. You see what I mean? And you're twisting while you're going. If it's easier, just twist first and then go around. It's easier for some people that way, but I find that I just twist and I just go, and I'm just chucking it under the t-shirt. You just keep going. That's it. That's literally how you do this, and this is what it looks like. It looks a little wompy right here, but the intro, I perfected it. I just messed around with it. That's what it is with wraps. Just be open and ready to just mess around. Just try them out. And this is my second one right here. I decided to do it with different colors so you guys see the methods or how each wrap can make something look different. But I folded this in half horizontally before I put it on my head. I didn't show that part, but I hope you can see what I mean. So it's a little bit thicker. So I take that, and you see how I just tied it. You're just tying a knot. I'm telling you, head wraps are so simple. Just don't overthink it and just try it out. You're going to tie a knot again.
just like you would like a shoe. Shoelaces, not a shoe, but shoelaces. And you're gonna tie another knot. So that's 3 knots I'm gonna tie. See? Actually, that's 2. My bad. 2 knots. 3 knots. 3. Final answer. 3 knots. And I'm just taking that and I'm just rolling it and putting it under. And I did like put some like edge control on my edges a little bit. Just slide them just to. I think sometimes when your edges show, it just looks a little cute. It looks cute. Okay, it looks cute. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm tucking and I'm just like, you know, like folding and just, honestly, this is just you customizing. Don't be afraid to try things out. It doesn't have to be perfect. And this is the 3rd one. So, I'm taking it and there's nothing under there. And you can feel free to put something like silky or something under your head. I don't put anything. And then you're just going to twist it. And twist it. And you're just going to keep twisting, girl. You twist. And there we go. And we're just going to put it around. It's a little stiff at this point. After you twist a little bit, it's stiff. So you're able to like kind of form like a donut. Can I focus? Can the camera focus? We're going to get back. And you're just forming this like donut, essentially. You're going to go around. You're just going to go around again. And you're just going to put it under there. See? Simple. It's like, I think, the most usual one that you see. And don't be afraid. Just try these out. These are so simple. Don't be afraid of head wraps. Head wraps are so simple to do. But these I thought were beginner friendly. They were super easy. And I feel like you can use any cloth that you have at your house, or just go buy some. Yeah, try this out. I hope you guys like it. Go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe if you do.
Alright, so those were my head wraps. I hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed making them or trying them out. Let me know if you tried out. Let me know if you have other tips and tricks. Like, these are just really simple, easy beginner ones, and like I'll do more like complicated ones. But these are just supposed to be super easy. And let me know what you think down below. So I'm Yvonne. I'm still polishing this gold, and I hope you continue to do so.